Hi mathematicians. In this video, this graph shows the height of an airplane, and as the time passes, so time passes in seconds, the plane's height increases. It goes up. So more time means that the plane has more height. That makes time your independent variable, and the height is the dependent variable because the more time, the more height. So that means that height depends on the time that the plane is in the air. So height is a function of time. In the second example, this is not the dependent variable. So remember, red is wrong, not the dependent variable, because time happens no matter what you do. So time can never depend on something else because time happens no matter what. So time does not depend on height. So these variables are not independent and dependent variables. Instead, we're going to use the word input to represent our x, and we're going to use the word output to represent our y. So in the previous example, it was a function, but in this example, the graph does not represent a function because the time does not depend on the input. And another reason is for an input value, for an x value, I'll use this 750, there are 1, 2 y values. There are 2 different outputs. So we will say more than 1. So for that input right here, we have 1, 2 different outputs. So that means that it cannot be a function. In math, if you can draw a vertical line through the graph and it hits it in 2 places, this is what we call a graph that fails the vertical line test. So when it fails the vertical line test, it is not a function.